Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove salmon skin. First, gather your tools, a very sharp, flexible knife and a clean cutting board. Ensure your salmon fillet is fresh and chilled, as this makes the skin easier to separate. You'll want to work quickly and confidently to achieve a clean cut. This simple technique will prepare your salmon perfectly for any recipe. To begin, lay your salmon fillet skin side down on your cutting board. At one end, make a small incision between the skin and the flesh. Angle your sharp, flexible knife almost parallel to the board, just above the skin. This initial cut is crucial for creating a starting point to separate the skin cleanly from the fish. Now, firmly grasp the skin at the end where you made your cut. With your other hand, gently slide the knife along, keeping it angled slightly upwards and very close to the skin. Use a gentle sawing motion, pulling the skin taut with your free hand as you go. This helps the knife glide smoothly, separating the flesh without waste. Once the skin is fully removed, inspect your salmon fillet for any small pieces of skin or dark spots that might remain. Run your fingers along the fillet to check for any pin bones, removing them with tweezers if found. Finally, pat the skinless fillet dry with paper towels. Your salmon is now perfectly prepared and ready for your favorite cooking method.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.